In AutoCAD, it is easy to create rectangles. Simply use the rectangle command. This command creates a closed rectangular polyline from specified parameters, such as diagonal corner points, dimensions, area, and type of corners. On the ribbon, Home tab, Draw panel, select Rectangle. You are prompted to specify the first corner point. In the drawing area, pick to place the first point. Then choose a second corner point. You can pick to place the second point in any direction. Also, as you are choosing a point, notice that dimension values for the length and width of the rectangle display. Create another rectangle. This time, before choosing the second corner point, specify the dimensions of the rectangle. In one field, enter a dimension, such as 8. Then on your keyboard, press Tab to save the value and move to the second field. Enter a second dimension, such as 10. Press Enter to create the rectangle. Invoke the rectangle command again. Before selecting the initial point, you can view other options for creating a rectangle by expanding the tooltip. On your keyboard, press the down arrow key to view these options. Here, you can set the chamfer distances for the rectangle. Specify the elevation or Z value for the rectangle. Specify the fillet radius of the rectangle. Specify the thickness of the rectangle. Or set the polyline width of the rectangle to be drawn. Select Fillet. In the tooltip field, enter a value for the fillet radius, such as 0.5. Press Enter. Then pick the first corner point. Notice the filleted corners of the rectangle. Before picking the second point, open the Options menu again. These options differ from the ones available when initializing the rectangle command. From this Options menu, you can choose to finish creating the rectangle by specifying its area, dimensions, or rotation. Without selecting an option, pick a second point. You can modify rectangles also. To do so, select one of the rectangles you just created. Now click and drag one of the rectangle's grips to adjust the size. Then click and drag one of the vertices to adjust its shape. Undo any adjustments to the vertices. You can also edit the rectangle by hovering your cursor over one of the midpoint grips. A menu displays. From here, you can stretch the line, add a vertex, or convert the line into an arc. Rectangles are hugely useful when creating drawings, and with AutoCAD, you have numerous rectangle options to create just the shape you need.